Good morning, WestCon, and thanks for waking up with us this morning. We are starting off today with mostly cloudy conditions overhead of the Midtown campus, and the local satellite radar is picking up those clouds quite nicely. The swath of green is usually indicative of some moisture, some snow or rain. But don't worry, none of this is touching the ground. It is very dry at the surface, so none of that will be a bother today. Just those cloudy conditions overhead. Danbury's by the numbers. We usually have a normal high of 36 degrees, normal low of 17, record high of only 55 degrees set back in 1973, and a very chilly record low of 7 below set back in 1961. Conditions outside right now, we are at 26 in Windsor Locks and Willimantic, 29 along the shoreline in New London, 30 in New Haven, and 28 degrees in New Britain, 25 in Torrington, 28 in Bridgeport, as well as White Plains and Kingston coming in at 26 degrees with those mostly cloudy conditions region-wide this morning. The U.S. satellite and radar, we have a low-pressure system over Wisconsin, another one off the coast of South Carolina. These two systems are going to merge their energy and throw a little bit of light snow our way as we get into the overnight hours tonight and into the AM commute tomorrow, so drive carefully if you are a commuter like me, coming in from all places over Connecticut. Drive safely. The Tuesday outlook for today, what we can expect for high temperatures, 32 in Windsor Locks, as well as New Britain, 33 in New Haven and Willimantic, as well as New London. Temperatures today in Torrington, 30 degrees, 33 in Kingston, and 32 degrees, right around freezing in White Plains, with those mostly cloudy conditions throughout much of the day today, with those west winds at 5 miles per hour. Tonight, we're going to drop back to 21 in Windsor Locks, 22 in New Britain, 25 in New Haven, 22 also in New London, 18 in Torrington, 20 in Kingston, and 27 degrees in Bridgeport, with that light snow sparking off around after midnight, I am saying, with a chance of accumulations by morning rush hour of around 1 to as much as 2 inches along the immediate shoreline tomorrow. And those temperatures tomorrow are going to get up to 35 in Windsor Locks, 36 in New Haven, 33 in Torrington, 32 degrees in Willimantic, 35 in Kingston, 36 in White Plains, and 37 degrees in Bridgeport tomorrow. With that AM snow, I think it will be tapering off by the time we get into the afternoon hours, so it won't be a whole day event. Your 5-day forecast, 34 degrees on Wednesday with that light snow activity mostly in the morning. Clear things out for Thursday and Friday, mostly sunny conditions, highs in the lower to mid-30s. And then Saturday, I put a big question mark. We are watching a storm system that could possibly affect the region with a good dosage of snow. Could become a nor'easter. It is something to watch. That is why that question mark is there. We'll be continuing to keep our eyes on it and updating you. And Jessica Hussey will have the afternoon update later on this afternoon. And today, as you know, was Groundhog's Day. There is Puxatawny Phil. He did, in fact, see his shadow, so that means 6 more weeks of winter. And also, I bet you didn't know this, Connecticut has their own state groundhog. His name is Chuckles. He also saw his shadow today, so 6 more weeks of winter from both of these groundhogs, predicting the seasonal changes here in New England. And thanks for watching. I am meteorologist Tim Pandatos. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday.